Hey guys, here with RPM Diecast, and today we have a Maisto product today. They are the muscle machines. So I got a 1972 Datsun 240Z, pretty sweet. Got a wide body kit on it. They all come with stands, kind of like M2s, but obviously not. They're not like encased or anything. Then a Lamborghini Countach. This is from Series 3, and the 240Z is from Series 2. I have never opened one of these. I know they did a R34 Skyline with that red and black livery I really wanted, but it's cool to actually see these in person. We just got these in today. Someone brought them in. They were selling their collection off, and this happened to just be in their Hot Wheel collection. But yeah, let's get them. Wow, that opened really nice. Cracked open. Oh, it's literally just a stand. Okay, so it just sits on it. But here is the 240Z. It's got Yokohama, Datsun. I can't really read the side. I'm gonna have to get maybe a little more up close. But these are considered 164. They are definitely not like a actual 164, like a Hot Wheel or anything. Like, these are pretty big beefcakes, but they're kind of tuned. They're like a tuned car, which I love. I used to think it was so tacky, but now I dig it. Black hood. Oh wait. Oh, these are rubber wheels. I was not expecting that for like cheaper than a Hot Wheel premium car. Really little detail there. Really sweet. So that is the 240Z, and again, these are just, I don't know why I thought that they kind of maybe clipped in place or something, but it just sits on it like that. The next one is this white Lamborghini Countach. Whoa. Sweet. Now, like I said before, I've never had any of these. I've seen lots of them. They're really popular. Like, when we have a wholesaler that we can order these from, but we never do because we've never had them in, so we don't know how they sell, which we should maybe bring in a case. But they're always sold out, which should tell us at least that obviously they're selling elsewhere. But yeah, they are. Damn, these are cool. Yeah, rubber wheels on this one as well. And yeah, they're just, I think they're like $5 or $6, so a little bit less than a Hot Wheels Premium. And you get, now I'll show you the 164 comparison, because it is obviously not like a Hot Wheel. I'll just grab a fantasy car from our dollar bin. So here's like a Hot Wheel. And here's the Maisto, obviously quite a large comparison. You know what, the length isn't as bad, it's just it's a lot taller, right? Huh. They are a little bit wider, I think it's the only difference. Well, obviously in there. Yeah. No, it's definitely a bigger car. I'm not saying that it's not. I don't know why I thought it'd be a lot more of a difference, but let's go pop these on the spinner, get some close-ups. I'll take some close-up shots maybe with the display. Then we will come back after. was the Maisto Muscle Machines. Really, really, really cool cars. I don't know why. I used to think these were tacky. I mean, maybe a lot of other people think they are. I thought they were kind of more of like a novelty. Like, who the fuck's gonna collect this? But now that I've got them in person, and this was, obviously it's got a wide body kit and it's a Datsun 240Z. So that's kind of what drew me towards it. But then when you get them out, they're actually really good quality. I mean, obviously they're a $5-6 car, so that's kind of the quality you're getting, but still, it's got rubber wheels. It's got like a pretty good, like a nice definition or detailed exhaust here. Like more than a regular like Hot Wheel Premium has. Which is pretty, I thought was pretty sweet. But, and I guess that's not for all of them, because this Countach is, there's no, I mean, obviously it's a different casting and this is what it would more be like or whatever, but yeah, really, really cool. I was actually, I didn't have high expectations, let's just say that, because a lot of Maisto products are definitely on the lower quality spectrum, but for $5, $4, $5, they're pretty damn good, I think. Rubber wheels, metal casting, obviously they're die cast. Yeah, that, I don't know. I'm just shocked right now. I don't know what to say. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.